Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Ethereum on Bitvavo. First of all, open your Bitvavo app, go to your wallet and make sure that you log into your wallet where you have available balance on. Because what we need to do now is if you go here to assets, we need to search for Ethereum. Now, for me it's already standing here because it's trending, but if you don't have that, click on the search bar and search for Ethereum. Then right now, here it is, it's the third one. So we click on Ethereum and then from now you will see this screen. I don't have any Ethereum, so I want to buy this. So we click here on Buy Ethereum. Now what you can do is you can fill in the amount of euros that you want to buy Ethereum. The minimum is 5 euros, keep that in mind. Or if you click here on the two arrows, you can fill in the Ethereum that you want to buy. So let's see, 3 Ethereum is around 6,000. So we don't want that. So what I want to do is click here on the arrows again. And we want to buy 5 euros of Ethereum. So right now we click here on preview order. And then right here you see here the price. Every second it changes, or 5 seconds. And right now if we click here on buy Ethereum, we just bought Ethereum. So this is exactly how easy it is. Alright, hopefully I could help you out. If you have questions, please comment them below. And then from now, thanks for watching.